Kaiser Health Builder is 3-in-1 long-term saving plan because it offers first, healthcare, second, life insurance, and of course, savings or investment. Sabi ni Ms. Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan, kahit maputi na ang buhok mo, may Kaiser pa rin sa tabi mo. Yes, kasi si Kaiser lang po yung long-term investment na magagamit po natin until we get old or until we reach the age of 100 years old and beyond. Of course, Kaiser is called the total financial solution kasi dalawa lang po yung mangyayari sa ating buhay. What if I die too soon? Sino po yung mag-aalaga sa ating pamilya? Ang solusyon po niyan is life insurance because ito yung magbibigay ng instant money sa ating may iwang pamilya. Second, what if I live too long? Sino yung mag-aalaga sa akin kung ako ay bigyan ni Lord ng mahabang panahon? Siyempre, ang solusyon po dyan, investment or long-term health care. So, yung pera na yung nagtatrabaho sa atin. So who is Kaiser po ba? Kaiser is duly accredited with the Department of Health or DOH. The company is likewise registered with the Security and Exchange Commission or SEC dated June 8, 2004 and a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million. And also, Kaiser is registered with the Insurance Commission with the license number HMO-2017-04-R. And of course, our medical director is no other than Dr. Leia Uyolo, who is an active officer of PAMOK or Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization. So, Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder is 7 plus 13. So, 7 years lang po tayong mag-ipon or what we call the saving period. Pag naka-annual payment po tayo or naka 1 year na po ng payment natin, matatanggap na po natin itong mga benefit na po ito. In this case, we will use the Plan K100. So, first na benefit po is APE or Annual Physical Examination, dental benefit. Second, third, dito na po papasok po yung ating life insurance. Pag si plan holder ay namatay or kunin ni Lord ng maaga at na-disabled, mapapasa po yung plan sa primary beneficiary, fully paid na yung ating Kaiser plan. Mag-wait na lang po si primary beneficiary na maturity period to get the maturity value in cash. Of course, no, kung ma-hospital po tayo, meron pong benefit yan. Makakapili po tayo ng room natin, either executive, private, or semi-private. And of course, annual benefit limit of 60K, term life insurance of 20 years, accidental death and dismemberment of 20 years, and lifetime network access to over 500 plus hospitals and over 1,000 plus doctors as long as we have fun. Sa time na nag-ipon po tayo, mayroon na po tayong mga benefit. What more, pag natapos na po tayong mag-ipon or what we call the extended period. So, this will fall from 8 to 20th year. So, additional benefit po natin is pwede na po tayo makapagpa-check up or makapagkonsulta outside the hospital sa mga specialista. Of course, kung gusto po natin na ma-avail ang maternity benefits sa mga babae dyan, dito na po yan siya covered. And pre-existing illness and dreaded disease. And sabi nga natin, no, during the extended period, dito na rin tutubo yung ating 10% yearly compounding interest. Or we will have the health bonus. First bonus we will have is the 10% annual health benefit. Yes. And of course, we add the accumulated health bonus or dividend. This is 3 to 13% guaranteed upon depende din po sa galaw ng market. Third is long-term care benefit po natin. Kahit nagamit na po natin yung plan po natin or hospitalization benefit from 1st to 20th year, bibigyan pa rin po tayo ni Kaiser. Depende po yan sa plan na kinuha natin. And the fourth but not the least benefit is long-term care benefit upon maturity. If no claim during the saving period, kung hindi po tayo nagkasakit during the saving period, ibabalik po ni Kaiser ang 85% ng plan ng value ng plan natin. So that's why we have a total accumulated maturity value of 1,166,169. So, pag na-reach natin yung maturity period, you have options, no? You can withdraw the entire maturity value. Second, withdraw only the portion of maturity value. Or, Third, retain the maturity value with Kaiser and let it continuously grow 10% yearly. Kasi kung yung plano po natin is for retirement natin, ito na po yung matatanggap po natin. At the age of 60 years old, you will have the yearly lifetime healthcare of 648,380. And the age of 65, you will have a yearly lifetime healthcare of 1,044,222.40. So the good news po is this amount is convertible into cash. That's why it is called money working for you. So, matanda ka na, nag-i-enjoy ka na lang ng panahon mo sa mga apo mo or sa pamilya mo, pero may natatanggap po tayong pera buwan-buwan. So, to sum up all of this, only 7 years to save lang po tayo. You can choose mode of payment, annual. Pwede na po natin magamit yung plan natin. Aside from that, 2 months po yung discount. Semi-annual, 1 month on discount. Quarterly, half month on discount. Spot cash, 25% discount. Monthly, no discount. 13 years of waiting lang for maturity. Tax-free of all the total committed amount investment. 1 month grace period leeway. Pag hindi po tayo nakabayad, meron naman po tayo reinstatement and we will help you for that. Transferable and PhilHealth and IC regulated po yung ating Kaiser. And pag tayo ay Kaiser member na, meron na po tayong online policy management system or what we call the OPMS. Dito po natin makikita yung ating view my payment history sa lahat po ng binayad po natin. And of course, no, dito po natin i-download yung benefit card natin. Ipapakita natin sa hospital pag tayo po ay na-admit at naka 1 year na sa ating Kaiser payment. So, heto na po, no? Pwede na po tayong pumili ng plan natin from K45 to K1000. For the age 10 to 40 years old, minimum plan po natin is K45. For the age 41 to 50 years old, minimum plan is K60. And 51 to 60 years old, minimum plan po natin is K75. So, start saving for your future right now. Thank you!